What I'm going to do today is add convenience outlets to this type of couch setup into the center console there, and I picked up this convenience outlet from Amazon for like $10, and then I've got a couple of lightning cords for our phones to plug into. So I'm going to show you how to install this into the center console. Yeah, first I need to determine where I want to put it. I would like to put it on the back wall or front wall, but I'm not sure if I can. I got to look inside there and see what's behind there. I would like to put it on a wall. I can't do it on the sides. It's either going to be the front or back. If I can't, I'll have to put it in the bottom, which it may have to go on the bottom. The only reason I didn't want to go on the bottom is because nooks and crannies will get into there, dust and whatever, and I didn't want that to happen. So I have to take this apart, take this chair off, take this off, turn it upside down and see what's in there. So I got the center console turned upside down to see where I could bring the cord through and then what side of the box I can cut on. So I'm just going to pull the foot off, and I'm going to pull out these staples with the screwdriver, pull them out with the needle nose, and when I'm done seeing what I need to see, then I'll staple it back. Just staple it back, put the foot peg back in. So this is inside the center console. That's the bottom of the box, and that's the back of the box, and it looks like I have enough room to put that the outlet right there on the back wall at the bottom. So I'm going to put it there. So I measured from the bottom of the box to the wood there. It's about 85 millimeters, or roughly around 3¼ inches. So as long as I don't go above that, this outlet box will fit just perfect. So what I'm going to do now is measure the length and the width. This is about 95 millimeters and 42 millimeters. I just made a template, 95 by 42, laid it in here and drew a pencil line around it, and you can see the lines I have. I already cut one side with this tool here, and if you don't have one of these, man, this thing is awesome. I'm going to cut the other side, and then I got to figure out how I'm going to cut the other lines, because I can't fit this thing in here correctly to get a straight line. I wish I could get it in there this way. Maybe I can go at an angle, because it would make a really nice straight line. But it looks like I may be able to do a little bit. Well, that worked pretty well. So I'll do the other side, and then I'll show how it fits. I'm just test fitting it now, and it looks like it's okay from this side to this side, but I need to widen it just a little bit more. I wanted to test fit it. Looks like I went at a kind of an angle here, so I'm going to straighten that up. After I do that, then I'm going to trim all this melted plastic off, and then push this through there, screw it down, and then the cord, I already put the cord down in the hole, and then I'll grab it out of the back and then re-staple the fabric on the bottom. Alright, so I kind of boogered up the line there. It doesn't look so good, but I got 3 30-second drill bit, drilled 2 holes, and of course I have silver screws on, I mean black. So I'm just going to Sharpie the top of them and turn them black, and then I'll screw them down in. Alright, got it turned over, so I'm going to reach down and get the cord out. Pull it all the way out, of course. Alright, so I installed a cable strap that I had. I thought this is what I had on hand, so I just used it, and I think that'll work the best. It won't let it pull out. So now I just got to staple all these back. And put the leg back on. And then this side's done. So now I'll just put the furniture back together and we'll try it out. I also did something else on the bottom of my chairs because I got tired of them coming apart when you go to sit back. So in this front slot where they connect together, I drilled a hole here and put a screw in it. And then on the back side, I'm going to put a fender washer and this wing nut after I put the chairs back together, and it won't come apart. So this is the part I was telling you about, to put that wing nut and washer on so the chair wouldn't come apart when you lean back in it. So now when you lean back in it, it won't come off. So that's the end result of the convenience outlet for the couch. You have 2 outlets and 2 USB ports for your phone and your laptop. So hopefully you like this project.